In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all your videos on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up TikTok app and then tap right here to head over to our TikTok profile. As you can see, I got some videos here, and if we wanna delete one particular video, we can just tap at that video, then hit right here at three dots, and then if we drag it to the left, we can easily find delete option here. We can tap at this button, and then to confirm the deletion, all we have to do is just hit right here at delete. Keep in mind that you can restore any deleted video within 30 days from recently deleted in Activity Center. After that, it will be permanently deleted even from here. To continue, tap at delete. However, guys, if you got a lot of video and if it is hard for you to delete all of them one by one, then you would like to know how to delete all of them at once. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't have a button that you can tap to delete all of your videos at once, but now let me show you a couple of quick tricks that you can use. And the first way is to make your account private. To do that, first off, head over to your TikTok profile page, then tap right here at three lines, select Settings and Privacy, and then hit Privacy. That's where at the very top you can easily find the private account feature, and all you have to do in order to make your account private is just activate that feature if it is disabled. In this case, all of your videos will be available only to your followers, and if you don't have many followers, it will be much easier to make your account private and remove the followers you want to block access to your videos. To do that, just head over to your profile page, hit followers, that will show you all your followers list, and then just hit at three dots next to user you wanna block from seeing your videos, and then just hit at remove follower and then remove. Another way to quickly delete all your videos is to delete or deactivate your TikTok account. We can easily head over to the settings and privacy and this in the same way. Then just tap at account and down below tap at deactivate or delete account. Here we can choose if we would like to temporarily deactivate or delete our account. Select one of these options and then your account will be deactivated and deleted with all of videos on that account. And the third way, which can also work, is to delete all your videos through tech support. To do that, we need to head over to Settings and Privacy again, then scroll down until we find Report a Problem, then Get in it. After the page is loaded, scroll down to the very bottom and tap at Submit a Report. After that, you will be taken to that screen where at that text field we need to describe our problem. You can write down here something like hello TikTok support team, please remove all my videos from my TikTok profile because it is hard for me to remove them manually one by one. Once it is done, just hit at submit to send this support to TikTok support team. Please note that it may take a few days to process your request, after which all your videos will most likely be deleted. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.